I was once a camper myself. But it wasn't anything like this.
Cheap creep. Alright, on this beautiful day, we're going to get our monitor hooked up so we can watch some TV in the old camper. So that'll be fun. Let's get her mounted. Okay, if you watched my previous videos, you remember I got a ViewSonic monitor here. And, you know, it has the HDMI, which I'll be using for the video. And then it has a headphone out jack, which I'll just be running a headphone jack to my little stereo receiver thing. The first thing you want to do is take off the original stand, which I already did, and pop on one of these guys, which is, you know, one of those wall mount, you know, for flat screens or whatever. And this one's got a hinge on it so I can pivot up and down. I could have it pivot left and right, but, you know, this thing's so itty bitty, I think pivoting up and down makes the most sense. So I figured out where I want to put it, right above the window here, and I want to get it up nice and high. I got my center line marked, so I'm just going to go ahead and pencil in the holes where I need to drill, and then I'm going to run a bolt all the way through the wall because I want this to be nice and strong. Alright, I got my bolts ran through, some nice heavy duty washers, and of course using stainless steel once again. And we got her all mounted. I trimmed off the remainder, and now I just need to mount this guy to this guy, and then I'm gonna put these in last because I think that's the easiest way to go instead of 4 doing 2. So I think that's easier. Oh man. So here we go. We've got officially a TV and speakers in the pop-up. How freaking cool is that? So let's check her out a little bit, huh? Yep, so there we are with my video. Nice and comfy in here. We got our speakers in here. Let me turn it up a little bit so you can hear the good stuff. My amp is under the table here. The material that I have on these couch cushions are like a cotton blend, I believe. So, and something funny with cotton blend is there we go. 1 cup of salt, beautiful stereo sound, 1 teaspoon of liquid dish detergent, and 140 degrees. Starting to get fun here, guys. Let it soak. I don't want to get too crazy in what I display, but for copyright issues. But I'm using the Onn device from Walmart, and it's only like 20 bucks, and as you can see, it does all the good stuff that you want it to. So I normally use Amazon Fire TV, but I wanted something that would work a little bit better offline and with ad hoc networks, so this is the route that I went. I'm gonna do a little bit of cable management there, but it was a 4-wheeler. Yes, we live in a rural area. How awesome is that for your traffic? I see more 4-wheelers and dirt bikes than I do cars. Loving it. But anyway, yeah, these speakers that I set up in the other video, they sound pretty fantastic. We can get a little test going here. All right, here we go. Here's our bass test. Pretty dang good. Crystal clear. Beautiful bass. So, yeah, not bad. Well, enough of that. All right, cool, guys. Well, so we got even more stuff to hook up yet, but the TV was a fun one. I'm gonna hook up or clean up those wires a little bit, but everything else is pretty good. I got the speakers in place behind me, like I was talking about, looking good. The only thing I just really need to mount and wire stuff now. I'm getting to that point and finish building this cabinet here, but I might, like I said, hold out on it until I use it to kind of feel out what it needs, what I feel like I need for storage solutions, and kind of I'm building this thing 100% custom to my liking, so it fits me really well. So stay tuned, and we'll have some more fun Jeep creep coming up.